Hi everyone, Wendy Trevathan here from Healthy Options Now. I just want to put a few words together around Nat and Stu's 48-hour workshop that I attended in Brisbane in May 2018. Walking into that room, Nat and Stu welcomed me and made me feel like I was actually in the right place at the right time. I had the concept or the idea around writing a book, but I had no idea how to put that together. I had written lots of notes over the last 4 years and really wanted to put the book down and leave a legacy around my thoughts and my message to get that out to the world. That workshop provided clarity. It also provided a really good way of quite clearly mapping out your book so that you knew at the end of the workshop that it was possible to actually write a book. I'm very proud to have published now and incorporate that into my business. The workshop also opened many opportunities. With the book, you can go on and use that as a really good tool adjacent to the products or the services that you provide, and it gives you a platform as a speaker and as an author for you to gain credibility amongst your networking acquaintances and people of influence around you. The workshop was very well presented, great value, and Nat and Stu, they've got the runs on the board to work in this space and work with people and coach people in how to actually create a book that's well presented, that is marketable, and it complements you and your message. So thanks, Nat and Stu. I really appreciated working with you. And if you've got an opportunity to go to one of these workshops anywhere in Australia, I'd highly recommend it. Even if you, with the dog, even if you, you've just got an idea about it, very worthwhile. Thank you.